Hello, this is Houston. I'm in SDI, Scalable Data Infrastructures, term 1211. This week I'm talking about our second project, which included loops, arrays, Boolean functions, among other things. For this one, I had a little trouble expanding my story, to make it fit with the requirements. But once I had my idea and I started to work on it, um, actually, after a little bit, I think I may have overthought this one and bitten off more than I could chew. I didn't get the code working the way I wanted it to, and I think I may have missed a couple of the requirements, um, and it's kind of irritating. I'm definitely going to spend some more time working on it until it's working the way I feel it should, um, even regardless of the requirements here. I discovered that I would really like to have a proper IDE, integrated development environment for JavaScript, especially one that would allow us to track the variables and to step through the code line by line would be really great for debugging. In my particular project, there was one variable that kept changing back to its original value, and I couldn't really figure out why or where. It kept switching back. Some breakpoints, or like I said, being able to step through the code line by line would really have been a big help there. Um, this project reminded me of the days back in high school, when I was first learning programming, trying to figure out where problems are when the code looks fine. It can be really frustrating, but also very rewarding when you finally do figure it out and it's working the way it's supposed to. Um, I found that it's been really good for me to be in a beginning style class like this, because some of the ideas that I've had floating around in my head have seemed really big and daunting, and which is part of what has kept me from following along with this programming stuff. Kept me from doing it in the past, but especially with these last few projects, it's reinforced the idea that no matter how big a project may seem, the best way to tackle it is just to break it down into small steps and get each one work each one out, and that's kind of something that can be applied to any goal that you're looking to accomplish. So that's a neat thing to try and keep in mind. So, well, that's about it for this week. I'm really just kind of frustrated. So keep up the good work, you guys. I'll see you all next week.